working on booking us a DIY tour just to kind of get in the groove of playing and traveling, and the goal is to do 30 shows in 30 days. I posted on Reddit just asking people for advice, places to play, bands to play with, and literally got like 40 comments saying there's no way you're gonna pull this off in this shortened amount of time because it's December and I'm booking a 30-day tour for mid-February. But so far, I'm kind of proving Reddit wrong. So in the time that we were at Planet Fitness, I got 2 emails back, one from a place in Baltimore and one from a place in Kingston, so those are probably going to happen. I also got an email from a band in New Hampshire, so New Hampshire's probably going to happen. As of right now, we have definitely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 booked. Probably going to have 6, 7, 10 booked. And that's only from like a week of outreach, so I'm feeling really good. I'm proving Reddit wrong. So even if we don't get 30, I mean, that's still a tour. It's still pretty awesome. Right now I'm trying to just fill in some gaps. You know, I don't think we've played in DC before. We've done a bunch of touring. I have a few friends in DC, but in terms of like draw, we probably wouldn't have much. Like, we'll do our best to promote. Like, we'll get there early and pass out flyers, and I'll do my like little Reddit posts that I love doing and stuff like that. If we want to do like a cover charge and make it like a full bill, I'm happy to reach out to like other local bands in the area and see if anyone wants to play. If you're wondering how you can go about booking a DIY tour, the answer is just send a bunch of emails. You can do just a bunch of research. I usually use dodiy.org to start. It's an awesome database. I don't personally have any meta platforms. I don't have Instagram or Facebook, but you can look on Instagram for like flyers and see where people are playing. There's also a lot of like DIY databases, also a lot of like coffee shops and dive bars that you can just like cold email, just like black out and send a bunch of emails and then forget about it, and you might get like a few responses or enough to piece together a little tour. And the more you tour, the easier it gets because you have contacts at the places that you liked and make some friends in bands. So it's a pretty cool community and it's a fun way to travel and meet people.